Hi and welcome back. This is Lee with Milk and Sugar Bath, and today I am going to be making a rainbow soap. Super excited about this one. I'm going to do a little different. Typically I just do layers, just flat layers, and today I'm going to do angled layers in this soap. Now, this is going to be a 7-color soap, and each layer is going to be one color, so it's going to take me quite some time to get this done. So I thought it would maybe be cool to just do the entire video kind of a little sped up so you could see everything that I'm doing just a little faster. I'm going to use all Mad Mica colorants today. The first is Voodoo. This will be kind of my pinky red. Then I'm going to do Tangerine Dream. That'll be my orange. Bright Yellow Raincoat will be the yellow, obviously. Maniacal Pea will be my green. Twilight will be my blue. And Grape Knee High will be my purple. And the top I'm going to be doing a layer of white, and that'll make my 7th color is the white. So we're going to start with purple, work our way up to the pinky red, and top it with white. So I'm going to go ahead and get started, and I hope you enjoy it. We'll just set the whole thing to music and see how it goes. It's been a few days since I made this rainbow soap, and I don't know if you could tell in the video or not, but this top white layer was much thinner when I poured it than these other colored layers. And through the saponification process, it ended up cracking on the top pretty significantly. I've let it set for a couple days. I don't know if that's going to add any interest to the final soap or not, or if I'm going to have to go back and do maybe some piping on the top to save it. But I want to go ahead and cut into it, see if any of this white kind of falls off while I do that, and see if this can be salvaged. So I'm going to go ahead and just cut an edge, the end off of here real quick. All right. The top is pretty flaky right now. All right, let's see what happens when we cut in. In retrospect, I should have blended up this white layer a little more, but that turned out really cute. It really looks like a rainbow, you know, the side of a rainbow with the clouds on top. I don't hate the cracking. I don't love it, but we'll see how it cures and see if I need to add any piping to it. Overall, it turned out really cute. I swear I've had the worst luck lately with rainbow soaps. I did one a few months back, and it was my fault because I used kind of a blend of fragrances that I made myself, and it ended up darkening, and it kind of looked like a zombie rainbow soap by the time it got done curing. But this one turned out cute. The fragrance I used in this, I realized I didn't tell you guys before I started fast forwarding. The fragrance I used in this was Loving Spell by Nature's Garden. I used that because I know it doesn't darken and it plays pretty well, but still got some cracking on top.